Hello and welcome back to another video, guys. In this video I'm going to go through this fault code here. So if you are getting all these warning, okay, if you're getting all these warning, and it's basically to do with this code, so C0051 steering wheel position sensor. Now this goes back to dead battery. Usually if you've changed the battery, it goes here, it loses the communication completely. And you have to pair it back up to the car. So what we recommend is have it like this and do a full lock to the right, steadily like this, hold it, and then go all the way back and hold it, and then go back to neutral. And this makes it all, this basically pairs it all up, and you won't get no more fault codes. Now if we turn it on and off, it shouldn't come back. So there you go, guys, that's how you would do it. And obviously if it doesn't, I have other videos, and you probably require a diagnostic machine to get into the ABS and into the steering angle sensor. So we will clear this anyway, but if you were to do it, that's the way you would do it.